Hello everyone, my name is Hassan, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meaning. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we're gonna talk about regression algorithms, and we're gonna start with a simple linear regression. Linear regression performs the task to predict a dependent variable based on independent variable x, trying to find linear relation between the input and the output. And the basic question we're trying to answer is, if we have a certain value of x, what should be the best guess for y to be? So it's an iterative process where we try to find a line that minimizes the error to find the best fit of the distributed points. So mathematically, we're trying to find an equation of a straight line where it's equivalent to y equal beta 0 plus beta 1x, and we're trying to find an estimates for those two constants, beta 0 and beta 1, based on the minimum error we can achieve. So if we try to plot the line graph, the line plot over here with the scatter points, we're trying to minimize this difference, which is the difference between the predicted value and the real value, the observation, by this equation. So it's the real y minus the predicted y squared. And this predicted y is represented by the equation of the straight line we're trying to guess its coefficients, the beta 0 and beta 1. And over here, this equation, if you set the derivative for this equation, we can get two equations with two unknowns to get the best beta 0 and beta 1. And in Python, the way to achieve this linear regression equation is using the scikit-learn, and as you already know, the NumPy and Matplotlib, the basic libraries for manipulating data, and pandas for data frame. For this example, we're using the salary data provided by superdatascience.com. So first of all, we're gonna import the libraries, and then we're gonna read the salary data over here and set our x value and y value. Let me just show you a preview of our data set. So we have a data set that contains years of experience with the salary. It's a simple linear regression, as I have said, and it depends only on one variable, which is the years of experience, and we're trying to predict the salary accordingly. So we set x to be to have the values of those years of experience, and the y is the salary, and we apply the train test split for getting the training and testing data set to validate and train our model. We're gonna train this simple linear regression using the linear regression model imported from a scikit-learn, and we're gonna create an instance of the linear regression and fit the train, the x train and y train. And after fitting this regressor, we're gonna try to predict the unseen data from x test and try to compare it to the real values, the y test. We're gonna visualize it. So over here we have trained our model. In this visualization, you can see the training data set, and we're also using the same model for predicting the x train. So over here, the scatter plot represents the real observed data, and the line is the linear regressor using the regressor.predict x train. And below here, we're using the x test and y test to validate. As you can see here, the line is kind of optimal. It's almost fitting most of the lines with minimal errors that can be achieved. So this is it for the simple linear regression. Stay tuned to get more into polynomial linear regression and multiple linear regression and other machine learning models. Thank you for watching.
If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. And thank you for watching.